Uh-oh. We got a lot of snow, anywhere from 6 to 12 inches, and we just missed a thunderous sounding fall from the roof up there. But there's plenty more yet to come here. I'm thinking about staying here a while and just monitoring it, but my fingers and my cold bones tell me otherwise. We got lots of snow, and the visibility is slim to almost none. On the good side, we can't see our neighbors. Shh, we didn't say that. In the wintertime, when there's snow, it's always important to check your exhausts, because if it gets clogged up, you will get carbon monoxide poisoning. Now, granted, this one is pretty high off the ground, but I'm shoveling it out because when you look, there's a lot of deep snow here, and it's coming from the roof, and there's a lot more yet to come any minute now, probably. So, yeah, we're just making sure that all the vents are cleared of snow and any debris of any kind.
Wowee!
Awesome. We'll get more. I'll back up if I can. You don't have a wide lens.
It's funny how I heard that crack.
Oops.
Now is it?
Pretty high drifting here.